MEIDU 3-in-1 Hair Dye Shampoo claims to cover gray hair effectively, while also working as a gentle shampoo and conditioner, giving your hair that natural, youthful black shine. But, is it really legit? Let's find out together. First, let's start with the good stuff. The first positive sign is that they clearly show all the ingredients. That's great because it helps you know exactly what you're putting on your hair, especially if you have sensitive skin or allergies. It makes the product feel safer, and honestly, it builds trust. Another positive is that they explain how to use it really clearly. You don't have to guess or worry about doing it wrong. Step-by-step instructions make it super easy even for first-time users. Now, let's talk about some things that aren't so great. The first concern is that we couldn't find any information about whether the product is clinically tested. That makes you wonder, is it really safe and effective? Another concern is that the before and after images on the website look like they might have been copied from the internet. So it's hard to know if the results are real, and that definitely raises some questions. The third concern is that the only way to contact customer support is through email. No phone number, no live chat. So if something goes wrong, it could take longer to get help. And the fourth concern, when we looked for reviews on external sites like Trustpilot, we couldn't find any. No independent reviews make it tough to know what real users think. So, is MEIDU 3-in-1 Hair Dye Shampoo legit? Well, it does have some positives, like showing the ingredients clearly and giving simple usage instructions. But the lack of clinical testing, copied images, limited support, and no independent reviews, well, that raises some doubts. My advice? Be cautious before trying it. Thanks for watching till the end. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest updates.